Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, heated front seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.